Today guys, we will going to have one of the easiest and delicious salad that every Filipinos has in their household inside the refrigerator, and it is chicken and macaroni salad. Here I have shelled pasta that already boiled according to package direction, our mayonnaise, pineapple chunks, shredded chicken boiled, our raisin, little condensed milk, salt, celery and chopped onion, cheese, the blanched carrots, and cream cheese. We will mix all this together, and I will show you later our final finished product. Now we will mix all together, guys. Here is our chicken and macaroni salad, guys. Looks so delicious, right? Keep it refrigerated until you need it for the day. Shukran.